Hey guys, how you doing? This is Rick, and I've got a couple of tips for you today for your Vizio soundbar. As you see here, I've got a 5.1 model. It's really fantastic, by the way. Really, really great. Um, and I also have the Dish Network, the latest, greatest Dish Network with the Hopper DVR system, which is also really great. And I got my Hopper DVR and my Dish Network all set up and everything running perfect. Um, and then a couple of days later, I wanted to add my soundbar here. It came in finally and got delivered. So, I got it all connected and set up and ran into a little bit of a problem with my remote. I simply wanted to control the volume on the soundbar with my dish remote. Now, as I went through this procedure, I tried to follow the instructions exactly and put the soundbar into search mode, and several times I got what looked like I got the soundbar to accept the code from the dish remote. However, it didn't want to work, and at one point I really kind of thought, gee, I wonder if my soundbar is defective. But I'm glad I didn't give up. I kept on looking around and I found some instructions, and you're kind of looking at it here, the result of my investigating. It found out there's a way to manually put a code into your remote with uh, with the Vizio remote. You got to go through these various steps, and frankly, I did get this to work. Um, However, in the process of making the video, I did it several times, and I only got it to work one time. Okay, which was very frustrating. Um, anyways, as I kept investigating, I did find there's a really simple way to do this, and that's what I'm going to show you. It's really great. So forgive me if this sounds somewhat oversimplified. It's just to benefit those of us who perhaps are not as tech savvy. I made it kind of oversimplified deliberately, but just bear with me. So what we need to do here, and this is really easy, we're going to locate the menu button, which you see right there, I'm pointing out. We're going to use that. And then when we get done, we need to get out of the menus. To do that, we're going to hit the cancel button at the appropriate time. So, assuming you have everything connected and powered up, and everything's connected correctly, what you're going to do is you're going to take your dish remote and hit that menu button I just showed you. And when you do that, you're going to get this palette of options. So the next thing that we need to do is to click on the Settings tab. There, it's highlighted. Now we're going to use the select button on your remote, and we're going to select it. That brings up this entire menu here, and the one we want says Remote Manager. So highlight it and click on that. Now we need to choose the next thing. And what it is the auxiliary code. You're going to see me hit it here in a second. There it is. We're going to click on that, select it, and we get this menu. So now the next thing is we're going to be adding an audio accessory. So that's what we want to highlight and click on, audio accessory. Go ahead and click that, hit next. And now the next step is to look up the code. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to select this, and we have this menu now come up. So now the next thing is we're going to go down, V for Vizio. So let's select V for Vizio, and now on the right we have these options. Simply select Vizio, hit next, and at this moment you are now loading the code from the DVR into your remote, and it is now complete. That's how easy this was. Assuming you have it all connected, you can now test it while you're on this page. I will assume that it works, so you just get out of that menu there, as you saw that I did, and save the setting before you leave here. Click on Save. Now use the Cancel button on the remote to get out of these menus, and you're done. That's all it took, and you're done, and it works, and it's great. So by the way, this is the procedure you would use to add a DV, like a Blu-ray player, or maybe you've got a surround sound receiver or whatever. This is a simple, easy way to just make it all work that you just saw me go through. So that also works for all that stuff. So here I am trying this out. Works great. The volume up works, the volume down works, the mute button works, everything works. So I'll tell you what, this thing is really great. The dish hopper is fantastic. And the Vizio Soundbar is great. The 5.1 is awesome. You'll love it. So I hope this has helped you out. Maybe you can help me out by, if this has helped you, if you could click the like button, that would be really fantastic. Thank you so much. We'll catch you later.